Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to see how we can order on Uber Eats using cash on delivery mode. Cash on delivery is basically after receiving the item from your favorite restaurant, you can pay using cash. That's basically cash on delivery. You might be knowing this, and I would like to show it to you how we can order using this cash on delivery in our Canada. So if you are in Canada and you would be ordering through Uber Eats, this is the best method. Just go to your favorite restaurant and click on that restaurant. After clicking that restaurant, select your favorite food. So selecting favorite food is always a challenging task. If I go to for meal, everything will be available. I always love to have this meal as a part of my McDonald's order. So here I would like to order the large one. No tomato, no lettuce, no ketchup. Yes, I want ketchup, everything, but tomato I don't want exactly. If you want cheese, you can add it here by just adding $1 here. And if you want french fries, you can add some more. You can have coke. Then finally the order price will be shown here. Just click here, go to the cart again. By going to cart, it will ask you to view cart before proceeding ahead with the order. So you have to give your address after this. Then it will be showing how exactly you can order using cash on delivery order. So here you have to give your address. You can give the delivery instructions. You can trace your order delivery. This is the standard time 15 to 25 minutes. If you want further within short span, you can go for priority delivery by paying $1.99, and then straight away you can make a gift. You can add a promo code. Straight away my order would be making to $19.56. Here is the option add payment method. Just go to add payment method, then there will be Uber Cash, and click on this add payment method. Just clicking on add payment method, you will be having several options to pay for your delivery. This will be the option which we are looking for. If you select this cash, after placing your order on Uber Eats, straight away you can pay using this particular mode, which is cash on delivery. Go to next and pay the order. That's all. After reaching this order to your home, you can pay by cash, which is cash on delivery. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Subscribe the channel for more such valuable content.